make me swoon.
Good morning everyone, welcome back again. So today I'm going to share with you guys my summer study routine. So first thing is to make to-do list and to plan it out the whole day. Another guys important thing is to that I have bought some changes on my planner. I have printed weekly planner and pasted it, even gives new look to planner, and even it looks pretty too, and made it interest also, and even saves more time. So first we'll do physics ray optic from 7:30 from 7:30 to 9, and then we'll go with botany after breakfast with reproduction, and then zoology, then video shoot, and that is going on video editing. So today's plan is that this much, and today this much only. So let's start the day. Finally, my 12th book reached from Bangalore, because suddenly on that day on April 2 I have to came, so I didn't bought 12th books with me. At that time also our Allen has not opened. Still 1 week was left. So right now we are going to unbox our new book. It's like 12th new book. So I think it's already exactly 1 month of starting our 12th. So let's go. It's outside because since it came from Bangalore, so my father kept outside and we did sanitize. Now it's time to take to home, and let's open it and let's see our new books.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
So here, 12th book. Yay! So it's look pretty, but we have to study. Thank you so much, my Alan, for doing so much hard work.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Hello everyone. So Pomodoro is one of the best app, and I'm using the Pomodoro Forest app, which is one of the best and which will increase my concentration power. Even you can apply it. It gives 25 minutes where you have to work on with consistency. Then you will take for 5 minutes break. But here I'm using for 45 minutes. Then I'll take 10 minutes break. Then again I'll back to my work. So it will help in that. It will help my increasing the concentration power, and even I can focus more on my work and on my studies. So I think I use this app. Even I also use another app, that is Study Bunny, but from few days I'm not using it. Like, it depends on mood. So Study Bunny is also one of the best apps, so you can go with anyone. You can use any app, but Forest is one of the free app also. It doesn't contain any subscribers that comes for payments. I think it doesn't need in this app, in this specially Forest app, so you can go with it. Let's start the day. I'm back again, guys. So right now we are completed with 45 minutes of Pomodoro app, and now right now I'm going to take a break little bit because I'm feeling bored now, so I'm not in mood of to study. So I'm feeling hungry, something going in my stomach. So I thought of to have this one. Then after that, after 10 minutes of break, we will search something in internet about the chapter. More details will bring it out, and we're going to I'm going to make a note first time. I'll try to make notes on even laptop. So I'm going to try this one, and even I'm making notes on my the way I used to do always. So let's enjoy. So here guys, we got some few notes. I think it's from Vedantu, and we'll check it out. There are many chapters of 12th notes is there, so we'll check it out here and we'll see. Hello everyone, so I'm back again. So I did a little botany today. It's a lot because I think this one chapter, human health, I'm doing from 1 week and I'm not able to complete because of my less consistency. I'm feeling lazy nowadays, so I'm avoiding it, so I don't want to it. So I'm completing today as much as possible till lunch, and now let's go and have some cafe time, because usually it's like during evening around 5, but I don't know why I'm feeling to have a coffee. And guys, let me show you one thing. This beautiful weather, I think coffee is the best combination for now, because I don't have anything right now. So let's go.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake
Okay everyone, so completed with my today morning. I share my summer morning study routine, and that's how right now going for this week, and that's how my plan is. And we did a half chapter, like I did a half chapter of human health, and little bit left. I'll do it this week because other thing is also there, and that's how my morning study summer routine goes. And hope so. It's already, I think, how much? It's already 1:15, and right now I'm going to leave my books and I have to edit my videos. I have to check out all the YouTube, your comments, everything. I'm going to reply right now, and I'll have a lunch. Then over, I don't know what I'll do. I'll sleep, I think. So it was quite a good day. So see you in the next video, guys. Till that, stay tuned, and hope so you guys have liked this video, and hope so it must have helped it out. So till the bye, have a good day, have a great day, keep studying and be successful in future. Till that, bye. Coming with something very interesting in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Namaste everyone.
मधुरा